Shelly Motion sensor to feature Silicon Labs Cortana M3 Wi-Fi chip with Bluetooth-like power consumption. Wi-Fi is one of the most convenient ways to connect IoT devices as it's omnipresent, low cost, and the range is ideal for the typical smart home. That's all good until you start to power the device with a tiny battery, as Wi-Fi consumes much more power than Zigbee, Z-Wave, or Bluetooth. Over 5 years ago, RKi6000 Wi-Fi SoC promised Bluetooth 4.0 or power consumption numbers allowing coin-cell-powered Wi-Fi devices, and there were some demos the following year, but I've yet to see a consumer device based on this solution. This brings me to the main topic of this post, Shelly Motion, a soon-to-be-launched smart motion sensor said to be powered by Silicon Labs Cortana M3 M3 Wi-Fi microcontroller, and capable of offering over 1 year of battery life while connected to Wi-Fi thanks to an ultra-low power consumption of less than 300 microamperes. The company explains this is equivalent to the power consumption of Silicon Labs Zigbee, Z-Wave, or Bluetooth chips, and Cortana M3 embeds the most efficient Wi-Fi radio in the world. The 1-year battery life is based on a real use case of 6 hours of motion detection a day, and without motion-detected battery life would be close to 5 years while being always connected to Wi-Fi, and 3 years with 3 detections per day. The battery capacity is 7000 mAh. Shelly Motion also supports near real-time response with under 200 ms response time, 200 levels of sensitivity, earthquake detection, sunset, sunrise scenes, pet detection, rejection, and more. It can communicate with the home automation gateway or the cloud over MQTT, CoAP, REST using TLS encryption. The new device was introduced at IFE 2020 together with Shelly 4 Pro Plus 4-way relay for DIN mounting. You must think there must be tons of news about Silicon Labs Cortana M3 all over the web, but at the time of writing, it's close to impossible to find any information, except on Shelly's IFE 2020 product page where there's plenty of information about the motion sensor as one would expect, but very limited additional details about Silicon Labs' latest wireless microcontroller. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.